Good morning guys! Welcome back to my channel, Simply CM, and today is Sunday. At dahil Sunday, nasa bahay lang tayo. Day off ko. Oh, actually, on vacation pa rin ako, but this is the last day for my vacation. And then tomorrow, start na ulit ng work. And I have to say, I've been very tired working all the time. And now that I have my 2 weeks vacation, it's the last day today. I am actually excited to go back to work, like to see people again. Because as you all know, medyo introvert tayo guys. I enjoy being at home so much, just being alone because Martin is always outside. He's doing a lot of work doon sa garden house namin. So it's nice because I feel like I've regained my energy and I've been relaxed. So now I'm ready for work. So yon, and today is hindi ko alam anong oras na. I think it's 11, ganyan. So, I'm gonna have my coffee. Coffee tayo, guys. Yes. So, yun, guys. 12:30 na pala. Akala ko 11 pa. So, yan. Kape-kape. First time kong this is my first cup of coffee today. Sarap niya. Tapos, ito yung pagkain ko, guys. Wala talaga kung talent sa pagluto-luto ba. Okay lang din naman to. I actually made this last night. And it was just, leftover rice. And I put some mushroom on it. And some onions. And yeah, all the stuff that was available in the kitchen. Masarap naman siya. Wala na munang usapan. Gusto ko sana lagyan to ng itlog. Pero naubusan kami ng itlog, guys. And actually, dito sa tinitirhan namin, it's like a one building with 8 apartments. Tapos, yung landlord namin, because everybody needs egg, right? Like, we need it. So, yung landlord namin, bumili actually sila ng, yung association dito is bumili sila ng I think 4 na manok, 4 chickens. Tapos they're laying eggs dun sa garden. And then every time we need to buy eggs, so we don't have to go to the supermarket to buy. So we can just buy it here. And it's more, in a way, organic because alam namin kung ano yung kinakain ng mga chicken. Tapos pag gusto namin ng chicken, katok lang kami dun sa kabilang door, yung landlord. Tapos kukuha siya ng mga eggs doon sa kung nasan yung mga chickens. Pero, wala. Tinatamad lang akong magkatok doon. So, maybe I'll gonna do it later tonight. Or maybe my husband, not tonight, like later in the afternoon. Pero alis din kami this afternoon, guys. I mean, we're gonna visit a friend na kapitbahay lang actually namin dito. Mga 7 minutes, 10 minutes drive. And then we're gonna have dinner together. And I think that's actually a good way to end my vacation. So we're gonna have good food. Sabi na asawa ko, I think they have some steak. That's what we're gonna eat. I hope so. I love steak. And then the next day, that's Monday. Then I have to go to work so early, like 6 in the morning. Then that means I have to wake up at 4. That's also fine. I mean, I get the energy to do it now. I've had 2 weeks of just relaxation. So, I think it's okay. Sarap niya. Tapos guys, ito palang camera ko na to. Camera. Yung first na binili ko, that was Canon M50. Pero medyo malaki siya sa akin. So it was like, I mean, I'm also okay with it. Kasi hindi ko naman talaga dinadala yung camera outside. Kasi baka nga, diba, baka mahulog or ganyan. So, I'd rather just the camera be home. I'm okay with it. Pero, nung binili ko siya the next day, yung Sony na ZV-1, yan yung ginagamit ko ngayon. It was on sale. So, from 6,000 plus kroner, it became like 4,000. So, my husband saw it and then he said that if I would like to have the Sony model, it's like much more smaller and I just have to add a little bit money on it. And then I can have it. So, we went there, brought my Canon M50 and exchange it to this Sony, and then just have to add a little bit of money. So now I got it and I am much happier with this because it's smaller, it's more handy for me, and yeah, it's nice. But I have not tried, I have not tried putting it in YouTube yet. But maybe it's still not gonna be a good quality kasi hindi talaga ako marunong mag-edit guys. Right now, I am trying to use this video editor called OneCut and it's free. So yun, pag-aaralan ko pa siya. And actually sa camera na to, there's already 2 videos in there. And I have to try to edit it. Not today. I think I'm like running out of time today because at 3 we have to go. So, yun. Kain muna. Yung kuko ko. Hindi siya. Di ba clear? Hindi siya clear. But anyway, I was cleaning yesterday and I saw a lot of those, nail colors. And while cleaning, I was just like, okay, I need to sit down and, tried one. And it's like, look at, just the 2. I'm gonna remove it later. It's like, it's not so good. So anyway guys, ano pa bang chika natin? Ang ilong ko ay kati. Okay. Ano guys, actually I got, yung mata ko is not so clear. Normally, nag-wear ako ng eyeglasses, but then the eyeglasses that I had, I really didn't like it anymore because it kept on falling down sa nose ko na flat. So then, yeah, sumakit kaya konti yung heart ko. Doon anyway, so may nakita ako sa online. Obviously, I need new glasses. So, may nakita ako online na parang 2 for 1. So, dalawa yung maging eyeglass mo, but you're only gonna pay 1 piece of it. So, pumunta kami doon ng asawa ko, and my budget was like, let's say, 2,000. Okay, that's mad. That's the major I will pay for it. I know other people are using so much money for their eyeglasses because if you're using it every day for the next 2 years, then it's worth it. But I'm really kuripot guys. I'm so kuripot. I'm so cheap that I don't want to spend like so much money on it. So yun. So yung budget ko was like 2K. Okay, that's the max I will pay for it. So I went there. My husband had our eye checked up. So yeah, so it's nice that I had a new checkup because apparently my eyesight changed. So we did that and then I chose eyeglasses and then after that they asked me, oh, would you like to have it ultra thin? And I thought it's like included in the price, like the way they ask it. It's like, oh, you want it ultra thin? Yeah, I'd love to have that ultra thin. Is it like fog free? Yeah, I like it. Of course, if you're being asked if you like that, then I say yes, right? I like it. And then I was standing there in the cashier. And then guys, when the amount was told, it was like, I get a bit of a shock, but obviously, like, you're shy to like, this is, So anyway, the price was, I was expecting, maybe I'm gonna pay maybe 2, or max 2.5, that's it, like, and then suddenly the price becomes 3,000 plus. But that is also included the checkup for the eyes. But it was just, I was not expecting it to be that big. So standing there, I was like, okay, trying to, maybe I just heard it wrong, or, and she, yeah, that's the price, 3,000, blah blah blah, because additional for this, for that, for that. And I was like, okay, yeah, pay back. And then I went home. No, not I went home. Like in the car, I was like, Martin, like, you think I paid too much? You think it was like too much? And Martin was like, yeah, you went a bit wild with because you can actually choose eyeglasses, the frame that's like would be cheaper. But I wanted something that I can actually really use every day, that I will be like confident. Because okay, these eyeglasses I got, I've been wearing this for 2 years. It's also nice, but I realized I didn't like this, the one here with what is it called, the one with like a bit thicker here than the down part. Then I feel like it's falling down on my nose because it's a bit heavy here. So when I went there, I said I'd like to have just pure steel, like the one you see, like the circle style and all, but no, like this, just. So I went there, yeah. So yun. So I paid more than the budget. And then I was like, oh, that was too much. Oh my gosh. My mind is like, oh, I didn't do that. And then Martin was like, okay, yeah, it was a bit expensive, but if you really think about it, it's not, because you get two glasses, and it's ultra thin, that you will really love it. And then you're gonna use it every day for the next 2 years. Others even use it more than that. So it's worth it. And just to remind you, he said he had an eyeglasses before that was color black when I first met him, and he actually paid around 6,000 for it, and it's just one pair, right? So he said it's good, but of course it's not what you expected. But it's still cheap if you look at it and go, okay, fine. Then I'm not gonna be so, whew. Sarap ng kape, eh. Paubos na. Pero actually, wait lang. Do not talk when your mouth is full. Yummy. So anyway guys, ano ba sasabihin ko? My God, nakalimutan ko na. Nakalimutan ko talaga. No, I actually noticed, right? Because it's like, even if I've been living here in Denmark for so long, and people here, they normally eat just bread in the morning and a small piece of brown bread in lunchtime and some salad if they want to. Like, those are what people eat actually here. And in the evening, that's the time they will like make the real food, as what we call it, like heavy in the tummy. That's what they do. But me, I've never really adjusted to that. Like, if I'm home, I will make sure that I eat rice in the morning, lunch, and evening time, because I feel like, okay, I'm home. I wanna be feeling at home. So that's how I've been doing it. And as you all know, we're getting older, and the more we eat rice, and when we are stressing out, we eat a lot. And our body cannot actually like digest it as fast compared before when we were younger. So I actually felt that I've been gaining weight, and the tummy is like, yeah. But then when I'm having my vacation right now. And I'm just too lazy to cook. And Martin is not always here because he's out working. So I'm being left alone here. So normally I just eat one time, breakfast and lunch, just like now, this amount of rice I'm eating. Or sometimes no rice, just eggs or whatever. But I'm just eating one time. I know it's not healthy because obviously you have to eat 3 times a day. As you know, apparently breakfast is the most important meal for the day. But paano ako makakain ng breakfast? Late na ako natutulog sa gabi, and ibig sabihin nung late na akong nagigising. So anyway, so it's been 2 weeks now that I'm just eating one time, breakfast, lunch, one time, and small amount only. And I noticed, guys, I've lost weight. Normally my weight would be like 47, 48, around that area. It could even come up to 49. But then I weigh myself today. It's actually, before eating this, it was like 46.5. So I'm happy. 46.5. But do not follow what I'm doing. It's because it's not healthy. I'm just doing what I'm doing because I'm lazy in making food, and I'm used to this kind of, eating style. Yun. Sarap. Guys, yun lang ating chika for today. So, thank you so much for watching, and I hope the rest of us is gonna enjoy the day for today. And yeah, take care of each other. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.